Hey, it's me Ronald, and I'm coming back at you guys with another video. So, if you're wondering where I am currently camped in Nature Cat's backyard right now. The reason being is, I was walking by their street earlier and I heard him and his pals bickering and I went to investigate. It sounds like there's some really spicy drama going on between the four, so I've come here to film it and hopefully it'll make a good. Well guys, I hope you found that as hilarious as I did. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There. The video is now uploaded to all of my social media accounts, and the video has already gone viral.
Okay guys, let's go to Starbucks and wipe the slate clean about earlier.
Me too.
Me too also.
Me as well. That sounds like the perfect idea.
Well, we are waiting for our drinks that we just ordered. We can't wait to have them as soon as they arrive.
Have you guys seen the video that was uploaded all over social media earlier today?
No, we haven't.
Well then, take a look at this. It's someone against one another.
Hello, what is it?
Gwenny, there's a viral video that was posted all over social media about the argument I had with my friends. Me, Daisy, Squeeks, and how got humiliated for it.
What? Bro, we can talk more about this as soon as you guys get home. Okay, goodbye.
Gwenny, I've been humiliated along with Squeeks, Daisy, and Hal. I don't know if we can ever show our faces in public after that video was watched by God knows how many people.
Bro, it would suck if I was in your position. Getting humiliated all over social media while a certain fat purple cat videotaped you arguing with your friends and uploaded it all over social media.
Hang on. So, you're implying that it was Ronald who made the video that humiliated me, Squeeks, Daisy, and Hal? That does it. I'm going to call him downstairs with the Principal Eric voice.
Ronald, get your fat butt over here right now. You are in super serious trouble.
Ronald, did you humiliate me, Daisy, Squeeks, and Hal all over social media after videotaping us arguing and uploading the video all over the internet? Tell me the freaking truth right now, or I will have Gwendolyn give you a mega concussion time.
It was me who videotaped the argument and uploaded it to social media. I only did that because I found the argument hilarious.
Ronald, how dare you humiliate me, Daisy, Squeeks, and Hal by recording a video of us arguing and uploading it to the internet. Now we are not sure if we can show our faces in public again, all thanks to you.
That's it. You are grounded for 887 octo-trigentillion decades. Go to your room right freaking now and think about what you have done.